Up for auction is this coin-op candy machine from the 60s. It's British made by Otto Numis out of Tetbury and Glas, England. It did vend these Zing milk chocolate biscuits, as they're called overseas. Sixpence is the coin needed, a little bit larger than a dime. This machine is complete. There is no key, but it does open. The outer shell fits snugly over the inner mechanism. It's about 30 inches tall, 8 inches wide, almost 6 inches deep. In good original condition, complete, again except for the key. Probably about 1965 or so. That's when the company started operation. And it does vend with these sixpences. Again, good original condition. Not sure if it's been repainted. This is smooth here, and then this is a little rougher on this off-white color. Maybe a little bit of overpaint, but it was an older job. Logos are good. Color's good. Very interesting machine. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the inside. Thanks for bearing with me. I'll go ahead and lay it down. It's pretty heavy. Probably 20 pounds. It comes off easily. Okay. Stainless could use more polishing here. This inner track easily comes out, so you can reload it or clean it. And that's in very good condition. There are pictures. Coin mechanism's good, solid. Again, you drop one of these sixpence in here, sit it up straight, and it activates the coin mech. There's no coin box. You could probably make one. This inside area, good working condition. Has this mechanism which shuts off. I put some tape here to keep it on to do the demo. This is original in good condition. That closes it off and there's no product left. Closes up the coin slot, which is a cool feature. Lock's complete, however, no key. Thanks for looking at this Jacob's Zing milk chocolate biscuit coin-op machine from the mid-60s, up for auction winter of 2015. Thanks for watching.